a workshop on resisted release. We did hip catches, 3-count hit, a lot of fun conversation tonight. That was fun. So we're gonna start with the hip catch. So we worked on resisting release within our hip catch. So leaders making sure that we're opposing our follower in this direction. We don't want to be leaning in the same direction as them. So we worked on opposing and taking 1, 2, 3, 4 counts to get there, and then doing it 1, 2, 1, 2, and then quick, and what that felt like. We also talked about arm styling. So followers for you, we talked about things like energy coming from your center. So if it comes from the rib cage, we're doing it from our center. If we bring it up over our head, it's still coming from our center, up and over. We're gonna look at it because it's the prettiest arm anyone's ever seen. We talked about the necklace, so we can show off our necklace. We can do a head wrap, anything like that. So play with it. That's how we figure out what we like and what we don't like. To get into the hip catch, lots of fun different options. Today we did from a left to right. We're back diagonal step to get our follower going, and then we're gonna cross forward to make connection with the hip as soon as possible with our fingertips, and then really setting and establishing that connection level, whether it's gonna be heavier so that we can do a longer settle, or lighter so we can be quicker settle. And so we're gonna 2 and then settle on 3. We can hang on to this hand to bring our follower back through for an exit, or we can let that hand go. 1, 2, settle 3. We can kind of play here, grab a free hand, free spin out and around. These were the things we flew through really quickly at the end of class. We could do a little bit of a head duck exit. If we're going to send our follower to the other side, we just want to make sure that our follower's weight is transferred that direction before we spin them. So if I'm here, I want to transfer her weight and then give her that spinning exit out that way. It will not be comfortable for you to try and spin her when her weight's over here. Okay, awesome job, you guys. Thank you so much.